Africa after the brainwashing, brainwashing, brainwashing. Now I'm free at last to be what I wanna be. Yes, I'm free at last.